Hey guys, so I'll be showing you my simple at-home facial routine during quarantine. So right now I am just washing my face as I normally would. I usually just start off by using cold water, and I use my washcloth to just get rid of all the things that are left on the surface of my face. So after that, I go in with my Dove soap beauty bar. This one is just a regular one. I do use a sensitive one as well, but this is the only one I have on hand, and obviously, as you can see, I've been using it for a minute now. So I just lather the soap in my hands, and then I apply it to my skin, and then I just scrub my face with the Dove soap for maybe a minute or so. Once I rinse all of the Dove soap off my face, I just gently pat my face to get rid of all the extra soap that might be on my face. And then I just easily let that dry before I move on to the next step. So now I am going in with my facial steamer. I purchased this facial steamer on Amazon for maybe 20 or 30 something dollars. Amazon has a lot of facial steamers, so if you're interested in a facial steamer, I suggest you go straight to Amazon, because that's definitely where I purchased mine, and I've been loving it ever since. The steamer is good for opening your pores and getting rid of dirt that might be in your face that you couldn't really get with just, a regular water to your skin. So I do this. It doesn't look like any steam is coming out, but trust me, steam was coming out and my face was definitely getting hot. So you would see, I guess you could kind of say it's sweat, from the steam. So when you see my face getting wet, that's all it is. But like I said, I absolutely love this, and if you haven't purchased a facial steamer, I definitely suggest that you purchase it. And like I already mentioned, the facial steamer does get very hot. So after I finish steaming my face, I just go in with the cotton ball to lightly dab my face to get rid of all the sweat and dirt that is left on my face. With my facial steamer came a little pack of facial tools. So right here, I'm just getting rid of some blackheads that I might see on my nose. I know I might not be using this tool correctly, but it's been working well for me, and this is amazing for after once you're finished with steaming your face. So following that, I go in with my apple cider vinegar and water toner. I just use this always after I steam my face. Like I said, I use this for my toner. I use the apple cider vinegar with the mother, and I diluted it with water so it wouldn't be too harsh on my face, because like I said, my face can be sensitive. So I just gently apply this to my skin, and then I lightly let that dry before I move on to the next step. After I tone my face, I go in with my Freeman Feeling Beautiful face mask. This is an anti-stress Dead Sea Minerals clay mask. It's meant for cleaning your pores and it balances your skin for renewed skin. So I'm just applying this all over my face, and then once I'm done applying it, I usually leave the face mask on for 10 minutes. If you haven't heard of Freeman face mask, or if you don't even have one sitting in your cabinet, your bathroom, whatever the case may be, I definitely suggest that you purchase you a few of them. Freeman is very good for all skin types because, like I've already mentioned, I do have sensitive skin, but Freeman face masks have never steered me wrong. So this is a very good face mask to use. I don't always use this face mask, but I do kind of alternate between two different ones. So now I am just gently taking the face mask off my face. And I always wash my skin with cold water. I just feel like cold water makes my skin feel the best. So, I open my pores with cold water. I get rid of everything with cold water. I just always use cold water for my face. As you can see, my face is looking brighter, but now I am going to go in with my vitamin C serum. I actually got this vitamin C serum from Sephora. It was maybe about $10 to $11, and I purchased it from Sephora. I know that you can get this from other places. I've actually seen this on the Pretty Little Thing website, but I love this facial serum. Vitamin C serum is very good for evening out your skin tone. And this is very good for all skin types. Ever since I purchased it, I've been using it, every single time after I finish using my facial steamer. I let that dry some, and then the last step is to moisturize. I use a very simple moisturizer. I use shea butter from my local beauty supply store. If you have shea butter and you use shea butter, you already know that a little bit goes a very long way. So I'm just using a little bit of shea butter, and I'm just warming it up in my hands. Then I apply it to my face as my moisturizer before I go to bed. And this concludes my at-home facial routine. It's very simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Bye.